have been having a great time here in Haven Lighting. Oh my God, I love the warehouse with the showroom and all the technology and the gadgets you guys have. It has been a great experience. I don't know what I was thinking it was gonna be, but it has blown my mind.
I was actually amazed as soon as I walked in. It's an absolute awesome experience. When you come in, you can see how it's built out. They actually have houses built into the center with buildings. It's all hands-on. You walk in, you're kind of floored about how professional it is. And so my plan is to go back to my team, and then I can use my hands-on experience that I'm getting here to help them get better and therefore make our business more profitable.
The hands-on training is the best in the industry. You know, it's been great to bring the team down here, get some hand-on applications, and know that we feel really good getting back into the field and getting out there for our customers.
To meet contractors from all outdoor lighting aspects, permanent lighting, Christmas lighting, landscape lighting, architectural lighting, commercial lighting, all collectively together, sharing thoughts and tips and tricks and stuff like that was a very cool experience.
I'm kind of new to this business, and it's been a great use of my time, and I'd recommend it to anybody. Haven's top-notch, their quality is top-notch of their products, and all their employees just do a marvelous job in helping their installers and customers.
I'm here at the Haven Lighting Training, and it's by far the best training I've ever been to. I highly recommend it for anybody out there wanting to get some high-quality training, troubleshooting, equipment, anything you need, they're gonna help you with. So come here, check out Haven Lighting.
This was an amazing training here at Haven Lighting. The networking here is amazing. You know, every night they had happy hour. You got to meet new people. I got to meet people all over, successful business owners, some just starting out, some at 100,000, couple at 1 million and more. And so it's really cool to get the networking side of things when you come to Haven Lighting Training, to be able to meet with the people, and they're all willing to help.